Hi, I'm Dr. Jana Bogs with Beyond Organic Consulting. Scientific studies show that our foods have lost up to 70% of the nutrients in the last 70 years, even if organically grown. I realized that I needed to go back to the basics and create health from the soil up. Through much study and research, I developed the Beyond Organic growing system to help gardeners and farmers produce the most nutritious and great tasting foods possible. It all starts with optimizing the soil using comprehensive soil analysis to create customized, earth-friendly nutrition programs for the food crops. These programs help the crops to achieve their full potentials as healing foods with double the nutrition of typical crops and recaptured flavors. Consuming these wonderful foods helps my customers achieve their full potentials. For example, one of my students exclaimed, "I am so excited about the nutritionally grown salads I have been able to make from my garden. They are beautiful and I feel energized after eating them." With the $20,000 award money, I would like to bring these amazing foods to the dinner plates of more of humanity. Specifically, I would like to upgrade my website and do more online promotional campaigns to reach more food growers with my interactive online courses. Thank you for offering this amazing contest.